Hello everyone, I'm going to show how to install Mautic on DigitalOcean using one of the easiest and fastest way to install Mautic. First, we're going to get our PowerCheck installer. It's just a code. In this code, you are going to copy and paste on your VPS. I'm going to put my name. This is our welcome page. So basically, we are introducing ourselves and we are linking our two areas. We have to click here on Mautic. So let's click here. We have two ways how to install Mautic. One way is installing Mautic on our host, and the other is installing in your own VPS. Click here. So put your domain, for example, Mautic.com. So pick your VPS, for example, DigitalOcean, and select the number of contacts you need. And now we will generate a code, and you're gonna use this code to install Mautic on your VPS. So we are redirecting you. So okay, here we are. So we have our temporary Mautic URL, our username, and our password, but it's not working yet because we didn't copy and paste yet this code. So we have to copy this code and go to DigitalOcean. Let's create a droplet. Click here. So our Mautic installer use Debian, so you have to use Debian, and our minimum VPS recommended it's 2 giga. So you can pick whatever dataset region. So here you have to click in these 4 options, paste the code here, one-time password. You can even put your some name, you can put whatever you want here, and create droplet. So DigitalOcean will install your VPS, and after this progress bar finish, we'll start Mautic installation. So when finish this progress bar, it doesn't mean your Mautic is ready. You have to wait around 15 and 20 minutes. We waited 15 minutes, and now I clicked here, and our Mautic installation is ready. You can get the username, admin, and your password, and paste here, and it's ready. Your Mautic installation is ready. All cron jobs set up, everything is ready to use. Now you need to change your URL to your own domain. You can even using this domain, no problem at all. And you need to set up your SMTP in order to send emails. Okay, thank you.